Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best CFTC regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The CFTC, or the Commodities and Futures Trading Commission, is one of the most respected independent regulatory organizations in the world. The CFTC works as an independent organization of the United States for financial companies which deals with futures contracts and swaps, including commodities and Forex trading. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best CFTC regulated Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best CFTC regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with Avatrade. At number 4 on our list is instaforex. instaforex is a leading online CYSEC regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2007. instaforex is a global broker specializing in services and trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and futures. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the instaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. instaforex provides 2 main types of trading accounts, the Insta Standard account and the Insta Eureka account. There are 2 Cent accounts, and these accounts offer an easy, risk-free way for new traders to learn how to trade and how to use the platforms. These Cent accounts were also designed for traders who would like to test new strategies in a live market environment with real trades, but without the higher risks of larger deposits. instaforex offers an entire dedicated section of the website to providing webinars, platform and trading tutorials, trading guides, and much more. Their training courses are designed specifically for beginners and first-time traders, and this course will help you understand technical and fundamental analysis, how to make forecasts of price changes, how to use MetaTrader 4, and how to trade. Coming in at number 3, we have Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Xinity Limited, is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECM, and Pro accounts, with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. At number 2 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs, as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN 0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading education with FXTM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best CFTC regulated Forex brokers, we have XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into a variety of trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And those are some of the top 5 best CFTC regulated Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.